Ahmad has written in that he's asking about if he can do this loan if he might be moving in 2 years. He says, I'm thinking about moving in 2 years, but my interest rate's currently 6.5%, sorry, 6.75%, and he wants to know if he can still do this loan. Ahmad, yes, you can. There are no restrictions on this loan as far as how long you're going to live in the house. Now, on a traditional note, when you sign it, you are indicating you're going to be owner-occupying the property. Now, that may be a no-brainer for you. Didn't say, assuming you said you might be moving, this is a primary house. You can also, you sign a note, it's basically saying you're going to owner-occupy the property within 60 days of closing on a purchase. If you're refinancing an owner-occupied property, you're already there. But the intent is you're going to live there for at least a year. And then what this addresses is people that are, sometimes people try to buy homes and make them look like they're going to be a primary residence, but they're really buying them to be a rental house. And they get a slightly lower interest rate. It's not enough of a lower interest rate to risk prison, in my book, but people make odd decisions all the time. The long-winded way of saying, yes, you absolutely can do the loan. I just suggest to people they be realistic. So if you're underwater severely and you're moving in a year or two, is it really fair to the bank to increase your loan amount by rolling in loan costs, knowing that you're probably going to be doing a short sale or a walk-away in a year, year and a half? And this gets into your own compass of how you operate and conduct yourself in your business affairs. I personally wouldn't do it that short term. But I'll tell you one other quick story, though, you might want to consider, and this is your workaround. I have a client who's doing this right now, and she knows she's moving in a couple of years, but she wants to get the payment as low as she can to match and reflect the rental market in her neighborhood, because her intent is when she leaves, because she knows she's upside down, she doesn't want to short sell, she doesn't want to walk away, she's going to turn the property into a rental and just let the tenants make the payments on her for it until she's at a point she can sell it in the future. So that may be a consideration, and when you restructure, you may restructure with that in mind.